Some big news from Karnataka. All-out political war breaks out in Karnataka over recent cabinet expansion. In fact, leader of the opposition in Karnataka Legislative Assembly, Siddaramaiah, has sought judicial inquiry by a sitting judge into Minister Ramesh Jarkiholi's comment on Operation Kamala by the ruling BJP. Siddaramaiah referred to Jarkiholi's statement that Yogeshwar, who has been inducted in the cabinet now, helped a lot during earlier. In fact, he helped a lot, even took a loan of 9 crore. Jarkioli had added that Yogeshwar took money from BJP's MTV Nagaraj as well. Congress said that had opposition made allegations about Operation Kamala, it could have been brushed aside. But the allegation is within the ruling party. Opposition has now accused B.S. Yediyurappa of distributing cabinet berths to those MLAs that he weaned away from the Congress.
ಅವತ್ತು ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕಾದವರಿಗೆ ಸರ್ಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಶುಗರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸಾಲ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ತನ್ನ ಮನೆ ಮೇಲೆ 9 ಕೋಟಿ ಸಾಲ ತಂದ ತನ್ನ ಸ್ವಂತ ಆಸ್ತಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಡೆ MTB ಕಡೆ ರೊಕ್ಕ ದುಡ್ಡು ತಂದ ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು ಅವಾಗ ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು ಈ ಅವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅವ್ರೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳೋರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಯೋಗೇಶ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅದ
ಸಿಡಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೂ ತನಿಖೆ ಆಗಲಿ ಯಡಿಯೂರಪ್ಪ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾನ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಅಸಹ್ಯವಾಗಿದೆಯಂತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ತನಿಖೆ ಆಗಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಈ ವಯಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತು.
I want to ask for what reason 9 crores he spent on whom? Is it to purchase MLAs of the Congress party? Is this money used for to form the BJP government? Because now both are now ministers. They have taken oath. So now the government, we appeal to the government to have immediate judicial inquiry with a sitting High Court judge to know for whom Yogeshwar has spent 9 crores.
Mr. Siddaramaiah should start functioning as an effective opposition leader in Karnataka. Day in and day out, abusing and making harsh remarks is not the hallmark of an opposition leader. Trivial issues are being demanded for judicial inquiry. Ramesh Jarkiholi did not say the 9 crore were used to buy out MLAs. He said on the course of those period, Yogeshwar had to borrow 9 crore rupees maybe for his own business purposes.
Cutting across to Nagarjun, joining us live for more details on that. Nagarjun, it seems like Ramesh Jarkiholi has given the opposition some fodder. What exactly did he mean while speaking about that 9 crores involving CP Yogeshwar?
In fact, remember during the cabinet expansion, there was a rebellion against Yogeshwar being made as a minister. And as soon as this happened, Ramesh Jarkiholi had put out a statement in favor of Yogeshwar saying that there's nothing wrong in Yogeshwar becoming a minister. During Operation Kamala, he did mortgage his house for a 9 crore loan. But it is only joining the dots for the Congress because they feel that this 9 crores was used to purchase MLAs and also take care of the flight charges, hospitality charges in Mumbai. Remember, it was a 2-month course of stay in Mumbai for 17 of such MLAs till the Supreme Court cleared them. So all this money was used is what Siddaramaiah says. Now they have demanded a judicial inquiry. However, BJP says that what is the proof of this 9 crore being used in Operation Kamala? It was just being used for its own purpose. So it is very trivial is what BJP says.
Right, Nagarjun, thank you very much for joining us with those details on that. Here, argument breaking out within the BJP itself, and now the opposition jumping in, asking for a probe into Operation Kamala.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.